Okay, this time we're at the back of the 2013 Honda CR-V because we're going to show you how to replace the fluid that's in the rear differential or the rear end. At this time the car has around 92,000 miles on it, so that's a good time to change that fluid out. So I'll walk you through it. I've already started it, but I'm going to show you, where the fill plug is, where the drain plug is, and what we need to do to get this done. Okay, so now we're under the driver's side rear. Okay. I always recommend using jack stands. You can see I'm not using jack stands today, but I strongly recommend it. So this is the driver's side of the rear differential. This is your fill plug. I've already taken it out. You always want to try and take out your fill plug first before you pull your drain plug. You don't want to end up in a situation where you've got the drain plug out and your rear end is empty, and now you can't get the fill plug out to actually refill it. So this is what that fill plug looks like. I just scraped the inside of this a little bit with a small pick tool. Just to get some of the little bit of rust and debris out of there. And this is the exact size of a 3/8 ratchet. So you just push your 3/8 ratchet directly into this, and then of course you can loosen it out of that bore there. There are crush washers that I purchased to replace these old washers that I'll put on. Those are from Honda. And then actually from this side you can see the drain plug that I've already pulled. Okay, I'll go on the other side also, but this is actually where it's dripping from. It's still dripping a little bit of fluid. And then here's that drain plug. So that's what you'll see. Again, it's a 3/8 head, 3/8 square head. Except because it's a drain plug, it is magnetized and it's picking up little filings. I'm surprised there's that many filings on it. Seems kind of like a lot for the age of the car, but I'll wipe those off. So now I'll give you a better view of the other side, and then I'll show you how we're going to refill this thing. Okay, so this is the passenger side. I'm going to try and pop that old washer out of there, if I can. Okay, that's the old one. Now I've got the drain plug, the fresh washer on it. And just like I said, all you're going to use is the head of your ratchet. Push it in there. Make sure it's in, because you don't want to strip it. Strip the head. And these did take a good bit of torque to take them out. It's one of those where you got to lean into it pretty good, and then you'll finally hear a snap as it breaks loose. So, okay, so I got the genuine Honda fluid here. And I have a pump that I bought. When I bought it, it was a brand that is a Valvoline brand product. I'll give you the part number here on the video. Well, basically what this pump does is it has a tube, comes all the way down to the bottom of this. Because as you can see, the space up here, it's going to be pretty hard to actually pour that bottle into that hole. Okay, so that's why we have a pump. So I'm going to get this tube into the fill hole, and I'll start pumping away. We'll know it's full when fluid starts dripping out of that hole and back into our drain pan. Okay.